Greetings viewers, this is Rahul Jain. Thanks for watching my channel regularly and subscribing to it. This blog is coming to you from northeast part of India, from one of the highest altitude lakes in India, Changu Lake, which is at the height of 12,400 feet above sea level. It is a part of every tourist itinerary and for a good reason, the overwhelming scenic beauty. This lake is also known as Tsogmo Lake, which is a bit difficult to pronounce. This lake is enveloped by steep snow-cladded mountains and resting between a bright green carpet of alpine forest. The charming beauty of Changu Lake is bound to leave you in a awe. The lake becomes doubly attractive with the reflection of surrounding hills on the water. From Gangtok, which is at 5,410 feet, the altitude rises to above 10,000 feet in just 15 kilometers. You can imagine how steep gradient would be on this stretch of the road. Changu Lake is a glacial lake in the East Sikkim. The lake surface reflects different colors with the change of season and is held in great reverence by the local Sikkimese people. After the winter season ends in the middle of May, the periphery of the lake has scenic blooms of flower species. Also seen in the lake are several species of birds, including Brahmini ducks. Wildlife seen includes the red panda. As the lake is located in a restricted area, it is essential for all Indians visiting the area to obtain permit from the army. If you are visiting northeast in India, it's a must-visit place, and best time to visit lake is during January to March. You can read more details about this lake in my description of the blog. You can comment with your question and I'll be very happy to answer it. Keep checking my blogs. Thank you. Bye-bye.